Good afternoon. I'd like to talk on the topic, technology in education. Technology is transmitting every part of our lives, and being education is not very different. So technology is touching education as well. But the problem what we have as educators is that we are not embracing technology in the way it was supposed to be. Very recently, the whole phenomenon of MOOC, which is massively open online courses, is actually storming the world, where we talk about edXs and Coursera's and Udacities of the world, which are taking the world by storm. Now, starting from Khan Academy, which has provided ancillary training to edXs and Udacities, which are offering more mainstream courses. But the problem with say open online courses is that if you look at the enrollment ratio to course completion ratio at Udacity and Coursera is about 6%. Okay, that means only 6 out of 100 students who actually enrolled in a course is actually completing the course. Now that is actually an alarming trend, because the content is engaging, because all these massively open online courses have the best faculty from Harvards and Stanfords and Whartons and whatnot. All these are top-notch institutions offering top-notch courses taught by their best faculty members. But what is the reason in students only 6% of them are finishing their courses? The reason has to do something with the probably I would say a human mindset. We are all kind of selfish. We want ratification for everything, whatever we do. So the problem what MOOCs are facing currently, which is basically a challenge what even they are facing, is that they don't get credits. They don't give you credits. Okay, we all want credits for whatever we do, right? Even for learning is not just for the sake of learning. It is not just about gaining knowledge. It is also about getting reward and recognition for that, which is missing with the massively open online courses. That is one of the reasons why all these courses, in spite of having great faculty, noble intention, couldn't manage to actually reach up to its potential. So there is a lesson for all our educators out there who are trying to leverage technology, is that how do you actually manage the expectations and how do you reward the students who are actually gaining knowledge? I think it is somewhere in between, where you provide credit transfers or degrees through, and you make open courses which are part of your curriculum. I think that is the way to go, because globally also there is dearth of quality faculty. The number of students who want to be trained or educated are phenomenal, and the kind of quality of faculty that is available, there is huge paucity of talent. So the only way to address the massive challenge of providing quality education to all is by leveraging technology. With its challenges, what all these MOOCs are facing, there is a discussion that's going on, which is recent, that is classroom going to be extinct? Right. I think I would say it is a little premature to say that classrooms are going to be extinct. They are going to survive, because I think although technology and all that is a wonderful alternative, but I don't think it will substitute the learning that happens in a classroom. Because the element of learning in a classroom is quite different, because you have an engagement with the teacher or the faculty who is there, which might be missing in an online environment, because you don't have a teacher there. I mean, you are sitting in a class. You actually look at a disciplined student. You want to get out because your teacher might get offended, or probably the principal might be there, like Mr. Bhushan is sitting out there with a stick in his hand. So they won't really step out to actually, dare to step out of the classroom. That might not be the case when you are sitting before a comp in your house, where you have WhatsApp chats that are coming in between, a friend pinging you and asking for your whereabouts and all that. So the engagement which is actually needed in a classroom training is actually missing. So I would say these courses, which are MOOCs and all that, are for the students who are really learning oriented, but should be supplemented with the reward and recognition to make them more effective.